morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 9th chapter areas of parallelogram and triangles. Already I have completed one exercise. In exercise 9.2 4 sums already I have completed. Now I will continue with the 5th sum. In the given figure PQRS and ABRS are parallelograms and X is any point on the side BR Show that area of PQRS is equal to area of ABRS. So this is the first thing we are asked to prove. Then the next one is area of AXS. Area of AXS is equal to half the area of PQRS. So these are the two things we are asked to prove. So we are going to use the property that area of parallelogram between the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. This property we are going to use. And the next one is if a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and between the same parallels, then area of triangle is equal to half the area of parallelogram. So these two properties we are going to use and show the given thing, whatever they have asked, we are asked to show that one. Okay. So first one, area of PQRS. So PQRS is equal to ABRS. So it is very clear that, see here, PQRS. So this one is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. RS is a parallelogram. And then ABRS is another parallelogram. ABRS is another parallelogram with the same base. ABRS. See here. ABRS. So this is another parallelogram. See here. So for these two parallelograms, the base is same. So what is the common base here? SR is the common base. So since both are parallelograms, PB is parallel to SR. So both the parallelograms, that is PQRS and ABRS, for that the vertices of the parallelogram are in the parallel side. Okay, so the vertices are on the parallel side. So we can easily say that area of PQRS is equal to area of ABRS. So we need to write the property. That's all. So by property, two parallelograms between the same base, and between the same parallels are equal in area. So therefore PBRS, parallelogram PBRS and parallelogram ABRS are on the common base SR and between the parallels PB and SR. Therefore area of PBRS is equal to area of ABRS. So this is the first thing we are asked to prove. So area of PQRS. So here not PBRS, PQRS. PQRS. So here also PQRS. So PQRS, area of PQRS is equal to area of ABRS. So this is the thing we are asked to prove. That is the first thing. PQRS and ABRS. So first thing proved. So we can write hence proved. Hence proved. So this is the first thing we have proved. Then second one is area area of AXS is equal to half the area of PQRS. So when we check the triangle and the parallelogram, this triangle AXS is on the parallelogram ABRS. So this triangle AXS is on the parallelogram ABRS. So area of this triangle is equal to half the area of parallelogram ABRS. Okay, for that also we have to write the property. So by property, a parallelogram and the triangle between the same base and between the same parallels if a parallelogram between the same parallel, if a parallelogram and a triangle between the same base and between the same parallel, then area of triangle is half the area of parallelogram. Half the area of parallelogram. So the common basis, so AS, we can write AXS, triangle AXS and parallelogram ABRS. ABRS are on the common base AS and between AS and BR. Between AS and BR. Therefore, area of triangle AXS is equal to half the area of parallelogram ABRS. Half the area of parallelogram ABRS. But what is the proof we are asked to prove? Area of triangle AXS is equal to half the area of PQRS we are asked to prove. So for proving that, already we have proved that area of PQRS is equal to area of ABRS. So instead of this ABRS, we are going to write PQRS. That's all. This is equal to half the area of PQRS. So proved above. Since we have proved above, we can rewrite this area of ABRS as PQRS. So we got the proof here. Area of triangle AXS is equal to half the area of parallelogram PQRS. So this is the second proof. So hence proof. That's all. Okay. So first proof is over, second proof is over. Simple proof only. Okay, understood? So with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.